How to operate your braising pan. In this video, we will cover how to operate your Vulcan Braising Pan. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. In partnership with HOBART service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Operation. Turn the on-off switch to the on position and turn the thermostat to the desired temperature to put the braising pan into operation. Braising pan lift system. The braising pan lift system comes in both manual and automatic. Important: keep the area underneath and around the braising pan clear of hands or any other objects when operating the lifting system. Do not obstruct any of the moving parts of the lift system. This area must be kept clear of any objects or obstructions at all times. Do not leave the braising pan in the up position for extended periods of time, such as overnight or during a shutdown period, as it may cause strain to the braising pan gearbox. Braising pan manual lift. The crank for the manual lift system is shipped inside the braising pan. There are 2 pins on one end of the crank. Insert the crank through the hole on the control panel so that the 2 pins engage in the slots of the speed reducer coupling located behind the panel. Turn the crank handle clockwise to lift the braising pan and counterclockwise to lower the braising pan. Important: this manual lift system is not affected by a power failure and can be operated during a power failure. Note: refer to the maintenance section of this manual for lubrication and maintenance instructions. Braising pan automatic lift. Warning: always remove the manual crank handle before operating the automatic power lift. If the manual hand crank is not removed, it could result in injury. The manual crank should only be used in the event of a power failure or a service-related issue. The automatic lift cannot raise the braising pan unless the lid is fully opened. The pan lift is controlled by the gray rocker switch located on the control panel. Press the upper half of the gray rocker switch to raise the braising pan and the lower half of the gray rocker switch to lower the braising pan. The switch must be held for continuous raising or lowering of the braising pan. In case of a power failure, always use the hand crank to lower or raise the pan. Using the frame support system. All braising pans are provided with a frame support for holding a food receiving pan when unloading prepared foods. Follow these steps to use and lower the frame. Pull the frame support out and up until it locks. The support will accept food receiving pans of 12 inches by 20 inches up to 6 inches deep. When lowering the frame support, push in on the hinges until they bend, then lower the support. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Braising Pan. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.